AgTech Tech Tip: Trench Blast Rock. In this tech tip, we will demonstrate the procedure for calculating the additional cut volume for blasting trench rock. In some regions, it is common to encounter rock when calculating the trench volumes for storm, sewer, and water. If blasting is involved, there may be a minimum depth of cut that may be required by the blasting contractor. Basically, if rock is encountered in the trench, they will need to blast at least 5 feet below the pipe. The first step is to determine where rock will be encountered. In this example, we will look at the storm pipe. If we select one of the pipe structures, we can see we are barely hitting the strata. However, we must account for 5 feet of additional cut for the blasting contractor. We can apply the trenches to determine where we will encounter rock. Select one of the pipes and click the Apply Trench button. Check all displayed pipes and click OK. Then click New Surface. Enter a name and color. Click OK. Then click OK to apply the trenches. Then return to grade work. Click Plan View mode and change the reference to the trench surface and the difference to rock. Select the Utility menu and select Cut Fill Lines. Check Cut Boundary and click OK. And this will generate lines where we will encounter rock in the trench. Click the Add Cut Fill image if you want to see the map in the background. Then return to Underground. Insert the Cut Fill image. Then click the Hide Annotation button to clear the data lines. You may also click the depth brackets with strata to verify where the pipe will encounter strata. Press Alt-B or click the Background Layer Selection button and check Cut Fill Lines, then click OK. Select one of the cut fill lines and click the Label Selection button. This will select all the cut fill lines, then click Phase Region. Click Add, enter a name, and click OK. Then click Yes to use the selected lines. Check Save to New File and click Yes. Enter a new name and click Save. A message will display to acknowledge a pipe has been encountered. Check Don't Prompt again and click Yes. The pipe and rock will be assigned to the new phase. Select the Phase drop-down and double-click on the new phase. And this will be all the pipe that will encounter rock. Double-click on one of the pipe structures in rock. And click the Trench Detail. And click Custom. To go 5 feet below the pipe, you may simply edit the bedding thickness to 60 inches. Click OK, and this will create a new structure. Click OK. Now select the remaining pipes. Click the Edit Structures button at the bottom of the screen, and select the new structure and click OK. Then click Yes to confirm. The strata volumes will account for the additional 5 feet of blasting in these structures.